Hi there, Brock Vandenberg, Fund Manager for TaliMar Income Fund, out in the field today up here in Vista, California. It's about 45 minutes north of downtown San Diego, about 20 minutes north of our office. Client here came to us actually through a mortgage broker, was looking for a ground-up construction loan. They actually own the property free and clear. They had the permits already in hand, and they were just looking for a lender that could help fund the ground-up construction portion of this project. As you can tell, they're making great progress. Framing is near complete. They're finishing out the roof. They'll go ahead and move towards the rough electrical and rough plumbing shortly. Earlier this week, they submitted a draw request, so we're out here taking a look at their progress. Looks like they're making great progress, so we'll go ahead and release the funds. Now, we don't do a ton of ground-up construction projects unless the borrower is extremely seasoned. They have a lot of cash equity in their transaction, and there's a huge demand for this specific property type in the community that we are. So Vista is considered more of a suburban market, large lots, larger single-family homes like this. And when these projects come to market, they're going to sell relatively quickly because there just isn't a lot of new product like this coming to market in this area. So let's go ahead and take a look at the progress, walk through the project, and I'll give you kind of my analysis here after we've done our walkthrough. All right, so as you can tell, the borrower is making great progress on the project. The walkthrough, you can tell that he's gotten a lot of the rough framing completed. He'll start with the electrical and rough plumbing. As I had mentioned shortly, we don't do a ton of ground-up construction projects like this unless the borrower is extremely experienced and able to perform or demonstrate a history of completing projects like this. I like this project. Again, experienced borrower, great market to be building in, not a lot of new products around here that they're going to be competing with when they finalize or when they come to market. Also, 100% of the construction funds are held in a construction account, and those funds will be dispersed to the borrower over the course of the project. If you're interested in learning more about these types of projects or seeing the videos on these types of projects, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I try to get out to the project at least once a week and post the video content on it. Also, if you liked this video, give it a like. It helps me get more views. If you're interested in learning more about investing in our mortgage fund, I'll go ahead and include a link to the executive summary. If you're already invested, I'll go ahead and include a link below so that you can add to your additional investment. Thanks for taking a moment to watch, and I'll be out here in the next, 3 months. We'll see what kind of progress they've made.